So this is the product. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are doing great in your life. So today I am back with another video. So welcome back to my channel Simply Styling. I am Digant. So this is gonna be a comparing video. I am gonna be comparing two products. One is Khadi body wash and the other one is Nivea shower gel. So you can call it a review video also, and eventually you will know which one is my favorite product. So if you are interested, then just keep watching. So now the question is, what is the difference between body wash and shower gels? Seriously speaking, I did not find any difference, but yes, the body wash is the Khadi body wash is slightly thicker than the Nivea one, but only in this case. Other body washes can be different, other shower gels can be different. So I am not generalizing anything. You know what I mean. So the first product is Khadi body wash with orange and lemongrass. So this body wash claims that it revitalizes the skin, it balances the skin pH, and it has a vibrant aroma. So about the first one, which is it revitalizes skin, I'm not sure. And second is the balance, it balances the skin pH. I am again not sure. And the third, which is it has a vibrant aroma. Yes, a big yes for that. It has really a vibrant aroma which is very much bothering. The body wash also claims that orange and lemongrass body wash has delight texture with skin nourishment exfoliating bits. No, it has no exfoliating bits. You can see it is a clear gel. Can you see? I hope you can see that. And it also says that it is infused with extract of lemongrass which deeply cleanses the skin. It has excellent antiseptic properties that help normalize oil production and reduce breakouts. I am not really sure about their claims, seriously speaking. Anyway, so there are not a full ingredient list. It is missing in the packaging, and I really regret buying this product. I think you can guess by my face that I really don't like the product. I really don't like the product, and it comes with this kind of packaging and a cap like this. Let me show you the product first. Wait. Can you see? It has a vibrant color as well as a vibrant aroma, and it leaves a oranges stain. You can you see that? I hope that you can see. And it does not do anything to my skin. It claims that it has a vibrant aroma, but the aroma will be completely washed off after bathing. You will feel like, no, you will not feel like, I feel like I have not applied anything. It does not do anything to me. As I said before, it is not even moisturizing. It is not even refreshing. It does not do anything to my skin. It does not clean my skin. It does nothing to my skin, in one word. And it is for all skin types, and the price of the product is 153 for 210 ml product, which is kind of affordable, and I have got it at the price of 135 rupees, but still I spent the money, so I really regret buying the product. Though my sister liked this product very much, likes the fragrance, so I am thinking to give it to her, but I will obviously take the money.
This is business.
So this was my personal opinion about this product. The experience can be different if you use this, but I really feel like it is a big no for me. I really don't like the body wash, but if you have used this and if you like the product, then please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know that somebody loves this product. Because here comes my second product, which is Nivea Water Lily and Oil Shower Gel. You can see. So yes, This product, you can see that I have finished the bottle, but still it has some product left right here. So it says that let the shower gel with care oil pearls envelop your skin with a soft foam, while its scent of water lily stimulates your senses. Yes, you can see that there are small bits and they're really soft, you can't feel rough while using this. And the caring formula pampers your skin, leaving it feeling moisturized. Turn an everyday shower into a moment of freshness and care. Yes, everything that it claims, it is completely true. And it balances the pH of our skin, and it says that you will feel moisturized skin after towel drying, which is yes, which is really true. I love the product so much, and it has given a full ingredient list right here. Both of the product is not free from chemicals. It has SLS and it has SLS too, though it is not mentioned in the packaging, but it is mentioned in this Nivea one. But though it has some harsh chemicals, but still I love the product because it is really does something that my skin needs. And it is very much moisturizing, and it is very much refreshing also. I feel so fresh after washing my body with this body wash. I really love it, and it comes with this kind of packaging. I know everybody knows that, everybody is very familiar with Nivea body washes. And here I will share a story after some time, but let me tell you the price of the product, which is it is 195 rupees for 250 ml product, which I bought it from a local shop, and I bought the khadi one from Amazon. So I will share both of the links in the description box so that you can go and check. But it costed me around 160 rupees, so you can easily get that at this kind of discounts. Anyway, I want to share a story with you, so which is I had lost this Nivea product, so I had to buy a new one. And I am a person like I always whenever my one product is finished, I feel like I want to try a new one, something that I have not tried before. So when I lost the product, I was searching for body washes. Though I knew that Nivea is the best product for me, still I wanted to buy a new one. And I ordered the khadi one because I have heard many good reviews about khadi one. Then I just ordered the khadi body wash, and I had really great hopes for the khadi product. But after buying the product, I was like, so that was my today's video about these two products. So if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any experiences about these products, then please let me know in the comment section. And I would really appreciate it if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. So thank you so much. I will definitely come back with another video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy, stay connected with me, stay safe. Thank you so much.